Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Drop Terzuola collaboration. This is the Cyrus Persian micarta liner lock that we're gonna check it out and do a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying this kind of content. So let's do it. We're gonna need T8 and T6 for this job, and it's gonna be pretty nice. So T6 right over here in the handle, micarta handle, bronze liners. It's looking good. It's Persian, so it has to be like that. Has a nice Persian style blade. The pivot is keyed in, which is always a good thing. You're gonna need a T8 for that, and let's see, scale is just coming right off like that. You're gonna need another couple of T6 to finish the job. Hidden screw for the pocket clip. Let's see. T6, yes. And one is out. And second is out. I always love hidden hardware. It's so much nicer. It gives the knife like that clean look, which I really appreciate. These look to be titanium liners because, yeah, look at that, nice stainless steel insert for the lock bar. No lock stick whatsoever. You're gonna need some alcohol swab to do this job and just clean up on the inside. I'm sure the action is going to be spectacular on this one after Fab's tune-up. What do you think? We've got some washers over here, nice, and some bearings going on. It wasn't too bad. That's fine. And just clean up this area, all the lock bar, and it's fine if it doesn't want to come out. We're not gonna force anything, just stay there. You want to stay there, stay there. Let's see if we can just clean up. This is a keyed in pivot. You can see maybe like this right over there, nice, and that's the keyhole. So good, that is good. This is now clean, and also, oops, now also this side is also clean. And let's clean the blade as well. It was pretty dry actually. We're gonna use a little bit of oil to clean this up, to lube it up. So this guy will go back in position like so. Beautiful. And of course, let's do maybe, what do you think? Bearing first. I think it's a good thing. Some, okay, cool. 1, 2, and 3 drops over here. Blade, nice and tight fit. I appreciate that. And bearings are in again, 1, 2, and 3. Beautiful. And the washer, stainless steel, is also in. And then you've got your liner that goes right in like so. And then you're gonna need this guy in this place with your T6 and just tight and like so, like this. Very good. And what else we need? Maybe the scale. What do you think? Probably the scale is gonna help. This guy, since we have the T6, is right in, and then we have a T8. Actually, you know what, we need to clean up also this guy because we didn't do it. And look at that. It's okay. And this is in. Okay, so probably needs to be in a little bit more. Let me see. Oh yeah, this is gonna be probably flush like it was before. So now we have this, and let's do just a nice little touch right over here, right on the detent ball to have it extremely smooth. Okay, like so. Let's do a little bit less, of course. Now we are in business. Let's see. There's a little bit of blade play, which we don't like, and we're gonna tighten this guy to see if there's still a little bit of play. We're gonna tighten a little bit, and the blade play is almost gone, like here. But it's too tight. Blade is centered. Action is snappy. You want maybe a little bit less tight, something like that. That's nice. It's not as I was expecting from this guy. Oh, you know what? Of course, because the pivot is not keyed in. Exactly. Now you heard the click. And now the pivot is keyed in. Oh yeah, let's see. This is fine. And this is how we want the knife, guys. Like, oh yeah. Oh yes. Look at this. Bob Terzuola, drop collaboration, Cyrus Persian, tuned by Fab. There you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.